Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mr. Dancy Pants, and today we're bringing you another tutorial video, this time on the double loop knot. Before we begin, I want you to go down and find the subscribe button and click that. Then click the notification bell. That way you'll know every time I upload a new video, and I'll know that this is the kind of content that you want to see more of. Now let's go ahead and take down the knot, take off the vest, and we'll begin.
I mean the kind of music men hum or whistle when they feel on top of the world.
So we're going to start this knot with our blade on our right side and our tail on our left. We're going to go ahead and fold it in for our crease, fold it back, and then we're going to bring this to our center button line just like that. The tip of our blade should be about 4 fingers above our belt line. Our tail is going to go over the top, around behind the back, and it's going to loop across the front to form one full loop around. Now we're going to bring up through the knot and out over the top of the collar right here. So out over the middle. Now from here, we're going to hook our finger in and create a loose and open loop, and then we're going to tuck the tail back into the collar. Just like that. Now we are going to thread up and through from the top left down to the bottom right through this loop here. Just like that. And we're gonna leave this loose as well. Now this piece of the tail is going to go around the back from right to left. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a track going through the loop. So you're going to want to find right here, coming up from the bottom all the way up through here. So it's basically bring your fingers through both loops and open them up. So this is going to be the hardest part of it, is just finding that correct track. You're going to feed the tip of the tail up through that double loop like that, and we're going to tuck it first behind the tie knot through the collar, then we're going to tighten it. So we want to make sure we tuck it first and then tighten that particular loop. That's what's going to secure all of this in place and not let it fall apart on itself. So then we can just kind of massage this and get it to where we want it. And now we take the remainder of the tail and we tuck it into the gap between the collar button and the next button down. So we just secure that in there to hide it. Now to tighten the knot, you want to look for the first loop that we made all the way around the tail, and that's what you're going to push up on to adjust it. So you're going to hold the blade and then push up on the waist of the knot. Then we're going to bring our collar down like that. Now when we bring it down, it's going to want to press this down a little bit, so we want to just kind of rotate it counterclockwise like that to get it out there, so we've got a nice three-dimensional shape that really stands out. So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, the double loop knot. If you like what you see, go down and leave a thumbs up on the video. If you have any questions, make sure you ask them in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. So until next time, stay safe.
I mean the kind of music men hum or whistle when they feel on top looking well dressed.